Hello everyone, it's time for your urgent dose of internet. A person found this mouse that appeared dead but was in fact under a state called torpor, a state when an animal shuts down its body during life-threatening circumstances.
No signs of life at all. And most people would just presume that was a dead animal.
The reason it happened to this mouse is that it spent the night in a cold desert, and torpor saved his life by conserving heat and staying warm enough to survive. The man warmed up the mouse in his car until he regained his normal state.
Getting a hot bum, are you? A little hot-ass mouse.
A patient photographer captured this incredible and terrifying lightning strike over New York City. This brave man put his bare hand through a stream of molten metal. Is it wise to do that? Well, let's see. This guy taught this warthog how to not act like a pig and eat in little tiny bites like a gentleman.
Just bite it. Gentle.
This is the end of this video. Hope I made your day a little better.